Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jana Tungo and you are most welcome. So today I'm going to show you how I install this crochet hair, and I'm going to be using Afro Twist Bulk, and the hair is by Darling, and this is how the packet is looking like. So the hair comes in 4 bundles, as you can see in the video. So there are 4 bundles in each packet. I bought 2 of them, but I only used 1 packet, guys. And I really love how the hair is packaged, guys. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and take the first bundle that I'm going to work with. So after separating, I'll just go ahead and start splitting the hair. And I'm going to divide each strand into 2 sections, guys. So that is what I'll start crocheting at the back section of my hair. So guys, here I am just making sure that my scalp is nice and moisturized. So I'll be using coconut oil just to, just apply it on my scalp, okay? And I'll be doing some massage here and there just to ensure that my hair, or rather my scalp, is nice and moisturized, guys. So basically it is very important to apply oil, especially if you're doing some protective hairstyle like this crocheting hair that I'm going to install. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and pass my crochet hook through my hair just like so, and then I'm going to use my fingers to make this little hole there, and then after that, guys, I'm going to insert the hair and just pull it through. So literally, guys, that is how you install this hair. So I'm going to show you again. After giving my crochet hair some little twist, I'll go ahead and take my crochet hair, pass it through my my cornrow, just like you can see me doing, and then I'm going to hook my crochet on the crochet hook, pull it out, and just secure it by making 1 knot. So guys, that is how you install this here, and it is very easy, very beginner friendly as well. Okay, so as you watch this video, please consider subscribing if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, and I will truly appreciate. And again, if you have any questions or any comments, leave them in the comment section down below. I will attend to all your questions, okay, and any concern that you might be having. Okay guys, so I'll go ahead and show you again. So here I am just passing my crochet needle through my cornrows, okay, and then after that I'm going to hook this crochet hair. Then after I'm done hooking it onto the crochet, I'll just go ahead and just make this, just use my finger to make this tiny hole, and then I'm going to pass the crochet hair and pull it out and just secure it once. So guys, this is kinky hair, so you don't have to secure it twice. Just making 1 knot is just more than enough. Okay guys, so at the front section of your hair, you want to take smaller section of this crochet hair, because again, at the end of the day, you want your hair to look as natural as possible. So guys, I'm going to pass my crochet needle through my cornrow, just as you can see in the video. And then once I'm done, guys, I'll just go ahead and take my crochet hair, hook it on the crochet needle, close the hook, then go ahead and pull this hair out. So as I'm pulling the hair, I'll just make sure that I use my finger and make this little hole, and then pass my crochet hair. And guys, it is as simple as you can see in the video, and I'm telling you, crocheting is just one of the easiest hairstyle that you can do on yourself, even if you don't know how to do some other hairstyle. I believe this is very beginner friendly, and anyone can literally do this hairstyle. And just to remind you again, guys, if you're watching and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, okay? And don't forget to share this video, to like, comment, and I will truly appreciate your support, guys, okay? So yeah, that's the only way you can support this channel. So be sure to subscribe, be sure to like, and don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section down below. Just let me know if by any chance you're going to try this hairstyle on yourself, or maybe you're going to do it to someone else, okay? So yeah, continue watching and I'll get back to you. So be sure to stick around because I'm going to show you how I did the invisible method. So yeah, continue watching and I'll show you exactly how your hair will look more natural with the invisible method. Okay guys, so the only difference at this particular point is that you're going to take one strand, okay? After making this tiny hole using my finger, I'll take one strand and then I'm going to insert it into this hole and I'm going to secure it, and then once I'm done, guys, I'm going to flip it like so. The point here is just to make, or rather just to hide your knots, okay? Because again, like I said, you want your hair to look as natural as possible, so you only take one strand as opposed to what we were doing at the back section. And guys, as you can see in the video, I'm going for a side part. I'm really not a fan of a middle part, so it really depends on what you want. So with me, I'm just doing some side part. Just continue watching. I will show you how it is looking like once you have done the invisible method, okay? Okay guys, so this is what my hair is looking like, and you can't even tell it's crochet hair. Like I'm telling you, it looks so natural. So here I am just pulling the root of this crochet hair to make it look even more natural, and like you all can see, it really looks like my real hair. You can't even tell it's crochet hair. And guys, like I told you in the beginning of the video, I only use one packet of this hair. I didn't even finish the one packet, but I feel like if you want your hair to look like more fuller, okay, if you're going for a full look, one packet will be, just go for one packet. But I also feel like if you want to be in the safer side, go for 2 packets, okay? So just in case anything happen, you're good to go. Okay, so guys, after I'm done, I'll just go ahead and use my edge control gel and just do my edges just to make them look as neat as I can. And then after that, I'll just take my scarf and just wrap it around my edges. And guys, this is how I install this hair, so be sure to stick around for the final look and you'll just see how this hair turned out so beautifully. So guys, like I said, I didn't even finish the one packet. This is what I have after I'm done with crocheting this hair, and this is the final look. I'm really loving how this hair turned out. It looks so natural, like you can't tell it's crochet hair. Okay, so this was it for this video. I will see you in my next video. So bye for now and take care, and don't forget to subscribe.